All right, I'm gonna start with the taper in the back. See how that look, the before. Usually you can bring up the line right to the bottom of the earlobe. Hit them with the guard open. You can keep following the steps up, or you can just remove some bulk with the 2 or the 1.5 guard. I'm gonna use the 1.5 guard. This makes it easier to blend. We come with the 1.5 open, and you want to stay about right there and just flick out to blend with that 1.5 that we did before. Now you can do the 1 close and fade down, or use the 1/2 guard lever open. And then you just go back with the 1 close just to clean up. Stay right there. And now you can just close it halfway. And just gradually start erasing that bottom line. Close it all the way. Let's close it all the way. And I just play around with the lever. I'm making sure, you know, you get spots that are still darker than others. Just gotta play around with it, but always checking. Also using the mirror, because the mirror will tell you make you see things that the naked eye won't show. Go back with the one closed and clean up. Use the corners too. You don't want to take out too much bulk and you just want to get a certain spot. Using like the bottom first two teeth. Depending on the angle that the hair grows out of their skin, out of the pores. Usually go the opposite. I'm doing this pretty quick. Obviously, you can go back and detail, but you just want to get the initials. That's how you work on your speed. This is close lever now to clean out that bottom line. And once you practice this over and over, you can get the initial fade done, the taper, and then all you have to do is just little touch-ups, and you can get this done within like less than 5 minutes. See? Got done pretty quick. A little blurry taper. Feel like some spots are not coming out, or the fade lines ain't coming out. Just stretch the skin a little bit. And that's it. As you can see in the camera, you might notice still dark spots, but seeing it with with the naked eye, you won't be able to tell, but that's why you use the mirror. And if you use the mirror, it'll tell you all the spots that you need to retouch. Remember, when people are trying to get tapers, you want that taper the show, man. There's some barbers that clients ask for a taper, and they just, I don't know what the hell they be doing, but they don't be giving no taper. You can't even see the blend. It's just, he balled it out and then it just goes straight to bulk hair, to whatever length they have. And to me, that's not a taper. For that, you just get a shape up. Go back with the trimmer and just clean up a little bit. And then you want to hit them with the electric shaver. With the electric shaver, not everybody's skin can take it, so it's always good to ask the client if they're okay with getting the electric shaver. Some people break out with the electric shaver, some don't. It's just like with the razor. Some people break out with the razor and some don't. It's always good to ask. There you go. Now I'm just gonna line it up. And all you have to do is just follow the natural line and just bring it down. Because all these are baby hairs. Don't even belong there, but they just grow. Other side the same way. You can see. I'll show you right here. Brush these hairs down and just follow the neck area right here. That's how it's looking right now. All you gotta do is hit them with the blade. Boom, boom. That's a clean taper. Wham, bam, out of here. Put a little bit of powder, clean off any excess hair, and bam. That's how you do that. Easy. That's how it's looking right now with the taper on the side. Now I'm just gonna hit it with the razor to finish it off. You always want to make sure you stretch the skin. Go with the blade at a 45-degree angle. The back of the ear. See how much cleaner it makes it look with the razor? He is one hairy guy, man. Alright, there's the finished product. Low taper. With the blurry blowout in the back. Super low taper. Obviously he ain't cutting no length off the top. So he wants to look like a mop. Here's reaction. Got the curls for the girls. Shake it up, man, shake it up. Look into the camera, man. Oh, no. Chat, is he cooked? You tell me. Put your head up. All this hair, man, we can't even see the taper, man. It's a waste of a haircut. I'm just kidding. But clean. It's just hiding under all that. Chat, let me know, is he cooked? Put it in the comments. Also, you can't forget, always after a haircut, you gotta hit him with that fire. Put your head up, man. Got him with that fire. If they don't make no face, man, that shit ain't working. Kill all the bacteria. And always, when you take the cape off, man, some clients, or most clients, got a hairy neck. You want to make sure you cut all that hair, man. What sense does it make you get a fresh taper haircut and they got their collar shirt right here and then you leave all this dirty? Some lousy barbers. And that's it. I'm out.